Today I will be showing you how to check in to the library using a QR code. First, open up your camera and aim it at the QR code. Select the web link that pops up. You can either use the web form or download the app to check in. Once the app is downloaded, open up Services New South Wales. Scroll down and select COVID Safe Check-in. Allow the app access to your camera and use the app's scanner to scan the QR code again. Enter your contact details. You can allow the app to remember your details for a quicker check-in next time. You will be sent a random series of numbers to verify your mobile number. Once you have input them in, select Done. If you have any dependents with you, add their details at this page and then tap Check In. And all done. Remember to show a staff member that you have checked in and to check out when you leave the library.